guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to download WeChat on your mobile device. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in WeChat and tap on Search. Select WeChat. Tap on the Install button. The installation process may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation process is over, tap on Open. And that's it. This is how you download WeChat on your mobile device. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.